Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the key reasons SME print company business fails and how to avoid them with an actual case studies of successful print companies. As you already know, post-pandemic, print companies are facing multiple challenges like limited staff, increasing the cost of raw material, social distancing, and order quantities going down. So in this video, we will discuss how to avoid them and why print companies fail. According to the research done by entrepreneur.com, 1 out of 5 SME companies have gone out of business in last 5 years. So let's discuss the 5 major reasons print companies fail. The first reason is trying to do all. Like we get many inquiries from print companies globally, and when we ask them what are your key products and strength, they share we do everything, which make them generic printer rather than solution provider. Even the research done on what they think, they shared that marketing agencies and print brokers are outgrowing print companies because they offer solution rather than only print. So we have one of our customer, Print PPS. They become the specialized printer, and year on year they've been achieving 30% growth, and they've been with us from last 10 years and generating million in revenue. So they are specialized in personalized paper products. They only offer specialized products like notepads, sticky notes, and NCR forms. Even they have multiple customers. They ask for business cards and white format because they have a print capability, but they turn them down. They only focus on their niche and as per their targeting audience. And that is why they've been able to achieve this highest growth offering the niche products. The second reason companies fail is that key people remain busy in the daily activities. And this has even become a bigger challenge post-pandemic because print companies are struggling with the limited staff. Print companies who has every process human dependent are struggling more because every process giving an estimation to artwork creation to approval, print and delivery are human dependent. According to the research done by Keypoint Intelligence, only 35% print companies are back in operation with its full staff. Still 45% companies are working with the reduced staff. And 17% companies have reduced their hours because they do not have the enough manpower. So here I would like to share the case study of CarePrint and how they implemented a system to make the key people out of the daily activities and made them free. Now, this print company is specialized in commercial and funeral print product, and the key people were remaining busy in the daily activities like giving an estimation, creating the file for the funeral products, as well as getting an artwork approval and printing. So they realized that this is taking their majority of the time because they are getting the smaller jobs like $50 and $100, whereas they are paying $35 to $40 to an employee. So their 1 or 2 hours are going in each job. That means they're not even getting the profitability. So they set up an online system by setting up their standard product as an online catalog. So this customer started getting an online estimate instantly. Especially for funeral products, they also set up an online templates. So now their customers are able to go online, pick up the template, personalize on their own and submit the job, which helped them save 30 minutes to 1 hour for every job which was submitted online, which is like 12 working days per month saved per person. So they achieved huge in terms of saving the key people out of the repetitive activities. The third reason print companies fail is refusal to change, failing to adapt as per the changing market. Like during COVID, many print companies wanted to launch the new sales channel. Even they wanted to launch new COVID products, but they could not do because they had no technology backbone. Whereas many companies were struggling to even increase the revenue, even struggling to sustain their business. Some companies achieved historically highest sale even though it was a pandemic. Like one of our customer, Firesprint, achieved historically highest sale in pandemic, which was even more than the normal time, as they saw an opportunity launching the COVID products, and because they had an online platform implemented, it was easy for them. So they set up a new COVID range, which was like hero signs, graduation signs, social distancing, banners and stickers and vinyl decals and materials. So they set up an online storefront, setting up those products online. They also hired our team who helped them set up online templates for those products. So the customers who required those products were easily able to go online, personalize on their own and submit the job. And because of these processes and because of this online platform, they were able to achieve historically highest sale, even it was a pandemic time. The next reason is poor management. not focusing on offering the best experience to the customer. Because basic processes like converting lead to sales and offering post purchase is a challenge for SME print companies today. Due to manual processes like estimation, status updates, timely delivery, every customer is not getting this basic Amazon experience, which impacts the repeat sales and client retention. Today, consumers are living in Amazon world, so they also expect the same experience from the print vendors. According to the research of McKinsey, two-thirds B2B buyers prefer digital channel and remote interactions. So they only prefer working with print vendors who had online ordering platform. Here I would like to share the case study of Siddha House Media. The key customers were B2C, SME B2B and large B2B customers. Initially, they had implemented multiple systems to manage each sales channel. Like for B2C, they set up a generic e-commerce. For SME B2B and large B2B, they had some internal system as well as QuickBook to manage all the orders. So their team had to work in multiple platforms, and most importantly, the customers were getting the different experience because every customer was having a different process. So they realized the challenge and they implemented OnPrint Shop as a print order management system. So first of all, they set up an online storefront for all their B2C customers. Even they offered a discounted groups and they were able to manage their SME B2B customers online. And for the large B2B customers, they also set up a private storefronts, giving them the specialized experience, personalized branding, and offering them the special products and the templates. And all the customer who still preferred ordering via email, phone, and walk-in, their team members were inputting all the orders from the backend. So any order and quote request from an email phone customers, they also used to manage in OnPrint Shop. So all the customer were started getting the uniform Amazon experience. Customer ordering online as well as customer ordering offline, they started getting the timely updates, instant email notifications, invoices, and in the back end, system was also generating the print ready files, the job ticket, so they were able to process job faster. And they had a centralized data at one single place for all their sales channel print ordering. So in short span of time, they were able to increase their repeat sales by 200% because they were able to give the Amazon experience to their customers. Even they reduced their order processing time by 90%. The last reason print companies fail is lack of data. In today's business, to grow, you need a proactive data and analysis to make proactive strategic decisions. Print business working traditionally fail to capture data at all levels, like time to convert an order, average order value, key customer challenges, which are the highest selling products, which are the lowest selling products, where they are losing the productivity, where their maximum time is going. So here all companies case studies which I shared was able to grow because they had a system and they had a proactive data and analysis which helped them grow their business even in pandemic. So first, they had set up a uniform process with an online ordering platform so that our customers were started getting the world-class Amazon experience. Second, they set up an automated ordering platform so they made their key people free out of the repetitive task. And third, they had consistent data and analysis to define the right approach to grow. Today, every print company needs to invest in team and technology that can quickly adapt to changing market and customer needs. We at OnPrint Shop working closely with print companies as a consultant and help them grow sales by offering world-class pre and post-purchase experience. Feel free to contact us for a free consultation. Visit us at www.onprintshop.com.